Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got my little cute banging little bob. This wig is the wig that I've been wearing in my previous videos, and I just got tired of it, so I was like, come on, let's cut it. So to do this, I'm taking some regular cheap hair store shears. I don't like using real shears on weave because it dulls out the blades. So I am just measuring about where I want my bob to sit. I didn't flat iron it, so I'm taking it about an inch below where it normally would fall because curly hair makes it shrink. So once I figure out where I want it to about to be, I'm just going ahead and going snip, snip, snip. So once I get my guide of about how much hair I want off and the length that I want it to be, I'm just taking the back hair and bringing it up towards my guide and, you know, matching it up. With the back, you might need it a tiny bit longer looking at it because you're wrapping it around your head. So I suggest doing one big part down the middle and then bringing it around to the front. That way you can easily see and make sure it's all even across the whole head. Okay, so now that the entire right side of my wig is cut, I'm going to transfer a little bit of my guide over from like the middle of the front of my wig, and I'm using that to start the guide for the left side of the wig, and I'm just going in and cutting from that same guide. It just helps to ensure that it's even all over. Okay, so once it's cut all over, I am taking my little razor and I'm just going through the ends of the hair. This is going to help give it body. It's not necessarily taking more hair off, it's thinning it out just a little bit, just so I have a little bit more motion with my wig. And this is pretty much the final look. You know, I'm flipping it from side to side, making sure it's even, making sure I like what I see, making sure I can do middle part, side part, and it still be, you know, cute or whatever. So I just think I'm going to add some sheet oil and flat iron this bad boy out, but this is pretty much it. So this is the final look, honey. Stiff wear, you know what I'm saying? Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye.